In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's particles as smoke flow source. The smoke would look like this. Let's create a sphere. Press F3 to add quick smoke. Let's select the sphere, and add a particle emitter. My particles look like this, because I have turned off the gravity. Let's scale the domain. This is how we use the particle as our smoke flow source. A big advantage of this method is how we can shape up the particles by using turbulence, and the smoke will follow the shape of the particles. We can create a very interesting looking smoke, water, or fire by using this method. Please select the domain, and go to the node editor. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.